Every story has three elements: setting, characters, and plot. Each group member will brainstorm different ideas for your story. By the end of this activity, your group should have at least 10 of each possible: settings, characters, and problems. To start brainstorming, first think about the setting for your story. It might be something you know, such as your house, the park, or your school. Or it might be imagined, like the moon, a different planet, or an alternate universe. Be as serious or as wild as you want. Add your ideas to the settings column of your brainstorming document. Next, brainstorm some characters. Perhaps the reader will have an adventure as a deep-sea explorer or an archaeologist. Or maybe they're an athlete or an astronaut. The possibilities are endless. You could even choose non-human characters such as a dog or a toaster. Include the characters the reader will encounter along the way, like a friend, an ogre, or a flock of birds. Add your ideas to the characters column. Finally, think about the problems the main character might encounter in these settings. Perhaps the astronaut finds out there's a meteor hurtling towards the planet. Or maybe the deep-sea explorer sees a monster and their oxygen tank is almost empty. Record your own ideas for potential problems in the problems column. Separate each idea using bullet points. To create a new bullet point, press Enter or Return just like you would for a new line. You can create a new bulleted list using the toolbar. When you think of an idea, type it in the document. Later, you'll select ideas from each column to use in your story. For now though, focus on generating lots of ideas. Check out what this might look like. Nia brainstorms the rainforest as a setting. When Antonio sees that, he adds adventure with wild animals under problems. Molly sees adventure and adds tour guide and vacationer to characters. Even though you might build on each other's ideas, you should still contribute some of your own. Be respectful of others and be careful not to delete what others have added. Keep adding ideas until your group has at least 10 for each story element. Then, move on to the next video to select the elements your group will use for your story. Now, it's your turn. Add your own ideas to the document. Your group should have at least 10 settings, 10 characters, and 10 problems before moving on.